What is Fusion 360?
Fusion 360 is a design software. You can create mechanical designs. For example, you can design a connecting rod assembly and create a manufacturing drawing with Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is also simulation software. For example, you can analyze how the connecting rod deforms under forces. Fusion 360 is also a manufacturing software. For example, you can generate cutter paths for machining the connecting rod on a CNC machine. So, Fusion 360 is the first ever integrated CAD, CAM, and CIE software. Fusion 360 is also PCB design software. You can design printed circuit boards using Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is also a cloud-based platform. The data is stored on the cloud and can be accessed from anywhere. So, to summarize, Fusion 360 is the first ever integrated cloud-based CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB software. RoyalMechanical.com offers job and industry-oriented courses for mechanical engineers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Thanks.